Alright, today I bought an Equate early result pregnancy test. I'm going to unbox this and then I'm going to see how well it works. I'm going to check it to see if I am pregnant or not pregnant. Right here it has a result window. As you can see right here it has a result window where it shows you whether you are pregnant or not pregnant. And it comes with a test cap as well. So right here it has easy to read result line right here. It shows easy to read line result. So right here, if it has a line on the circle and the line going through the oval shape, that is indicative that I might be pregnant. If it shows no line through the circle but a line through the oval, it shows that there is enough liquid on there to detect if I am pregnant or not. But in this case right here, it shows right here where there's no line going through the circle and a line going through the oval. That is an indicator that I am not pregnant. So I'm looking forward to taking this test. It's a pregnancy test. It tests 5 days or sooner. Read the instructions before you try to use this test so you know how to use it exactly and not through my unboxing and testing results. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. It says that there is one test in here. One test. So I'm just going to open it up. I like opening things from the bottom. Right at the bottom there it is an expiration date. The expiration date says 2023. The 4th month, which is April, and the 30th day of April. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And right here it just says pregnancy test, has the expiration date. Actually, expiration date is different from what was on the box. It's kind of weird. It's about a month later than what was on the box. That doesn't really matter because I'm going to take this right now. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And pull this out. And the instructions. The instructions on my pregnancy test. It shows a line through the circle is pregnant. A line through the oval is not pregnant. Or a line through both the oval and the circle is pregnant. No line through the circle and a line through the not pregnant is indicative that I'm not pregnant. And here is the oval right here. And here is the more circle right here. So the circle and then the oval. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the liquid on this right here. I'm going to go to the restroom and do that really quick. And I'll come back with my pregnancy test results. So I'll be right back. So I just put liquid on this and I am waiting for the lines to show up. I can see a line starting to go through the, wrong side, go up there right here. I can see a line starting to go through the oval shape and I'm waiting for the circle to show up. If it does show up, the line is starting to get stronger in the oval shape and the circle, nothing yet. It's becoming darker in the oval shape and nothing in the circular shape. I'm going to read the box really quick and see how long it takes after. What it says for 5 seconds, and it says, your results will be confirmed within 2 minutes. So right now we are running up on the 1 minute line. So we have another 60 seconds to indicate whether I'm pregnant or not. The oval shape is showing a strong line, but nothing yet in the circular shape. We have another 30 seconds and counting to show if I am indeed pregnant or not. The oval shape is looking really strong right now with a strong blue line. "10 seconds and I'll know if I'm pregnant or not. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. As it shows, I took this Equate pregnancy test and I am indeed not pregnant. If you intend on taking any pregnancy test, remember to read the instructions and strictly go by the instructions and not what I'm talking about. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.